Hi viewers, welcome to Myra Media and today we are in Charminar and special Ramzan season is going on. So you can see, total in this Ramzan season, total everything everywhere, this is all busy actually. And you can see all the shopping here. You can see totally everything in shopping here is going on. You can see everything is busy and this is this Ramzan festive season. Particularly, I can say one thing that really totally this whole season is very busy actually. And you can even see this clothes and everything here. And this is why Charminar is very famous in Hyderabad. And I think Charminar is world famous. And especially in Ramzan season, this will be very nice. And 100% this is the best place in the world, I can say. And particularly in Ramzan season, this is really an awesome. So definitely you need to come and visit this place. And you can see this Charminar in the long vision. You can see it in the long vision. Very soon we are going there and we are having a vision of that. So viewers, no more time, we are going to enter into Charminar and you can see everybody, in a very happy mood. Why? Because Charminar is one of the world famous and you can say that Hyderabad icon. And this is one where people come from different places and they visit here because Charminar is one of the famous. And at the same time, I can say one thing, all Hyderabadis really celebrate Ramzan very well. And at the same time, Ramzan festival season has started. Total, each and every Hyderabadi will celebrate Ramzan. Why? Because this is one of the festival where everybody, every religion will come to Charminar and everybody will be having shopping and everything. Because as this is world famous. And in no more little time, we are going to enter into Charminar. So viewers, you can see special attars here and as you know that Charminar is very famous for bangles and attars and now भाई सलाम अलैकुम कैसे आप भाई बोलिए अपने पास क्या क्या अतर मिलते हैं
अपने पास बहुत सारे अतर है नेचुरल है और सिंथेटिक है और एक बहुत पुराना शॉप है अपना Charminar पे 100 years old तो सो मेनी परफ्यूम्स आर देयर कई सारे परफ्यूम्स मिलते हैं अपने पास मसाले के भी होते हैं सिंथेटिक भी होते हैं सादे भी होते हैं लाइट स्वीट हर तरीके का एक फ्रेगनेंस होता है इसमें जड़ी बूटी के भी आते हैं और मसाला टाइप के बहुत सारे ऐसे और तो आँख का स्पेशल भी अपने पास ये सुरमा भी आता है आँख में लगाने के लिए बहुत स्पेशल है फॉर रमज़ान
viewers, this is Noori Surma. This is Noori Surma which is very famous and भाई अपना शॉप का नाम क्या है viewers, anytime if you come to Charminar, just definitely come and visit Astana Hazrat Pir Jinda Shah Madar. And at the same time, I can tell you one thing. See, this is very famous. Why? Because each and everyone who all visits Charminar, they will be completely coming to this Attar shop. Why? Because Attar is very famous. Everybody will keep in houses and showrooms and even offices. You can keep this one. This is really, wow. This is really, this fragrance is really awesome, yeah. And guys, you need to check in Charminar and you need to come to this Astana Hazrat Pir Manda, Astana Perfume Center. Okay, viewers, so why don't you come and visit and have a great shopping in Astana Perfume Center. And this is all exclusive show and we'll just check some more, shop centers here in Charminar. We are in Charminar and you can see the vision of Charminar. So really, I'm very happy because I visited Charminar in Ramzan time and particularly, friends are there. He's from Calcutta and they're from North India. Guys, say hi. Hello. So they say all hi to Hyderabadis, hi, and even I say hi. Okay guys, now tell me like how is Charminar over here actually?
Charminar is really good. As you can see the view, they just switch off the light, but it's really a good view in night and especially in the month of Ramzan.
Okay.
So I like the halim, especially the mutton halim. We came here especially for halim.
Okay.
All the way from Gachibowli and Adipatla. Adipatla is in Bangalore, like 40-50 kilometers from here. So we came all the way for halim only.
Okay, super, very nice. And you guys tell me.
Yeah, we heard a lot about Charminar, and today we are here finally at the time of Ramzan. So we heard a lot about Charminar, that the lot of crowd here at the night at 12, and now we are just waiting for Halim. Halim is the only thing which get at the time of Ramzan. So that's all from me.
Oh, superb. And you tell me, Babu.
Yeah, Charminar. About Charminar, I tell it's feeling fantastic here because at the night time in Ramzan, it's really fantastic being at the Charminar. And we came like from long journey here to see Charminar and the rush over in Ramzan. It feels really fantastic.
Thank you guys, thank you very much, and thanks for your real love of you are the real lovers of Charminar, and you visited Ramzan, and total Hyderabad is proud of Charminar, and not only Hyderabad, total world is proud of Charminar. Why? Because this is one of the oldest construction of Hyderabad, and we are proud to say that Charminar is ours. And guys, why don't you guys come and visit Charminar once. Thank you, signing off. This is Ishwar. So viewers, you can see a lot of ganne ka juice and bondas and dosas and everything here. And I think, this is the best place to have a good tiffin, and even at the same time, sugar cane juice. भाई सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, अच्छा हूँ
भाई बहुत फेमस डोसा चल रहा है इधर, और गन्ने का जूस भी है, और बहुत से सारे आइटम है. तो अब कब से चल रहा है और बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं रमजान के टाइम पे? कैसा?
लास्ट रिसेंटली 15 ईयर से यहाँ पे चल रहा है, और बहुत सारे वैरायटीज़ के डोसे मिलते हैं यहाँ पे. बटर डोसा, मसाला डोसा. पीपल आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन हियर, एंड दे आर एंजॉयिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. द गेस्ट आर कमिंग हियर, एंड सो मेनी पीपल्स आर एंजॉयिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फूड एंड एवरीथिंग. वी आर, एंड सो मेनी पीपल्स आर शॉपिंग हियर.
ओके.
लॉट ऑफ फूड वेरिएशंस होते हैं यहाँ पे.
Okay.
और लॉट ऑफ शॉपिंग वेरिएशंस होते हैं.
हाँ, तो इसके साथ साथ जो भी है, तो बहुत सारे लोग इधर आके ये रमजान के टाइम में बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं.
हाँ, रमज़ान के स्पेशली रमज़ान में ज़्यादा एंजॉयमेंट इसके लिए होता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे फुल नाइट एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल ही है.
ओके.
Food and everything they got.
Very nice, bhai. Thank you very much. Thank you. So guys, this is 15 years since 15 years this is there, and this will be there lifetime also. Why? Because I can tell you one thing: if total worldwide everybody will be looking at Charminar, and if they come to Charminar, definitely they will come and visit here and have a great tiffins over here, and at the same time ganne ka juice also. Viewers, you can see this chicken pav here, and you can see the stuff of chicken, and even pav is also there, and you can see this pav. You can see this pav, and even this is chicken, and this is stuffed, and this is prepared, and this is very tasty and famous dish, and you can even see this chicken total all red one, and even this is pav. So viewers, there are visitors who came to Charminar, and they are enjoying like anything. Hi bro, how are you?
Good. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling very awesome and happy because in this Ramzan season visiting the Charminar is really it's very fun.
Yes,
So
a
how do you
lot
feel,
of things. Lot of things we need to buy. We can buy a lot of things, and we have so many things to buy. And I came with my friends after a long time. I'm visiting Charminar, and I feel in Ramzan season because I have so many friends in Old City, and I have a lot of Muslim friends. I love to be like people who come to me and ask me any sort of queries, and giving them, because I'm Hyderabadi, giving lot of stuff to them and making them comfortable. I feel much happier when I came to Charminar. I feel like it's a peaceful place wherever I go. I feel this is comfortable place.
Okay, he's saying that this is one of the best place, and girls, you say like how about you come to Charminar actually?
Actually came for the night bazaar. This is the first time that shopping and lot of fun with the friends and all. Seriously,
What are you purchased here?
just now I purchased dresses, bangles and the footwear. It's very cheap, and the best place to visit with the friends and all. Lot of enjoy.
I think you all friends had a great time over here in Charminar, I think so, right?
Yes, exactly.
Hi viewers, welcome to Myra Media, and this is Peddi K. Ishwar, and you are watching our Myra Media videos, and thanks for all watching our Myra videos. And today I am in Charminar, and along with me, Mr. Vasu is there, Mr. Ravi is there, Mr. Shekhar is there, and Mr. Tinku is there. So I can tell you one thing that guys, really Charminar is awesome. And now we are in Nimra Cafe and Bakery, and as you know, these biscuits and even tea are very famous. Chai, what we say in chai, and we can even check with owner of Nimra Bakery and cafe. And you can come down so that I can show you, and we can have a small chat with the owner Bhai. Bhai, Assalamu alaikum, कैसे हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खैरियत से
भाई निम्रा कैफ़े एंड बेकरी बोले तो बहुत फेमस है हमारे चारमीनार में जो है बहुत लोग अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत लोग डिफरेंट प्लेसेस से आके इधर चाय बहुत अच्छा पी के बहुत अच्छा है बोल के बोलते रहते। तो आपका चाय इतना फेमस कैसा बना भाई?
सर देखिए, सबसे अच्छा लोकेशन ये है कि हैदराबाद के अंदर चारमीनार एक ऐसी जगह है
हाँ।
यहाँ पर मल्टीपल लोग आते हैं।
हाँ।
तो उनको अच्छी चीज़ मिलने के लिए हमारे यहाँ एक बेकरी है जिसका नाम निम्रा कैफे एंड बेकरी है।
हाँ।
मैं ओनर का लड़का हूँ यहाँ पर।
अच्छा।
और यहाँ पर हर दिन हम लोग जो लोगों से कस्टमर से फीडबैक पूछते हैं तो उनको सिर्फ अपनी क्वालिटी के बारे में, टेस्ट के बारे में पूछते हैं।
हाँ। तो और एक बात क्या है बोले तो इधर जो भी चारमीनार को आते हैं तो डेफिनेटली इधर चाय पी के ही जाते हैं। तो इतना फेमस बना, तो आपका क्या है सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस क्या है पहले?
रेसिपी हमारा लव है।
अच्छा, रेसिपी
लव है।
आपके ग्रैंडफादर से लेके है इधर?
मेरे फादर स्टार्ट करे 1993 में स्टार्ट किया।
ओके। तो भाई आपके यहाँ और क्या क्या फेमस है भाई?
देखिए, हमारे यहाँ बेकरी में 85 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं।
ओके।
और हमारी बेकरी वेजिटेरियन है।
ओके।
और यहाँ पर मल्टीपल बिस्किट्स आते हैं जो 22 टाइप का बिस्किट है।
ओके।
एगलेस होता है बिस्किट्स।
Okay.
और हर कोई भी आदमी यहाँ पर आते हैं वो एक प्लाटर बिस्किट लेते हैं असॉर्टेड।
ओके।
टेस्ट करने के बाद तो उनका पैकेज बनता ही बनता है हमारे यहाँ।
वेरी नाइस। एंड बहुत सारे लोग इधर आते हैं और बहुत अच्छा चाय पीते हैं एंड रिफ्रेश हो जाते हैं। अलॉन्ग विद दैट दे हैव even biscuits over here, and even I can say one thing that whoever come to Charminar they will definitely visit this Nimra Cafe and Bakery over here. And भाई और एक बात क्या है बोले तो रमज़ान का दिन चल रहा है और रमज़ान से फुल भरा हुआ है चारमीनार एंड दिस फेस्टिव मूड गोइंग ऑन इन चारमीनार एक्चुअली. सो हाउ यू आर फीलिंग लाइक कंपैरेटिवली अदर डेज? आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करें इधर बोले तो बाहर देश से भी आते हैं चारमीनार देखने?
हैदराबाद सिटी के अंदर ओल्ड सिटी एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पर मैं बोल के नहीं, हर कम्युनिटी का आदमी एक रेस्पेक्टेड मूवमेंट पे पब्लिक को फॉलो करता है. जो कस्टमर आता है उनको रेस्पेक्ट हॉस्पिटैलिटी से मेंटेन करते हैं. और आप सबसे अच्छी बात देखिए, उन प्रोडक्ट्स का सेल सेकेंडरी है उनका, मगर पब्लिक को पहले यानी हॉस्पिटल यानी रेस्पेक्ट देने के बाद ही जो है ऑफर करते हैं कोई चीज़ के लिए. इसीलिए हैदराबाद ओल्ड सिटी खासतौर पर जितने कम्युनिटीज़ के बारे में जैसा बता लोग जानते हैं ना, आपको ओल्ड सिटी में जितना प्रेम मिलता है आपको बाहर कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
थैंक यू भाई, बहुत अच्छा बोले. और रमज़ान आ रहा है वेरी सून, तो पहले आपको ईद मुबारक हो, आपके निम्रा कैफे एंड बेकरी को. एंड आप हमारे व्यूअर्स पूरे को क्या बोलना चाहते हैं रमज़ान के?
ठीक है, रमज़ान एक ऐसा मंथ है जहाँ पर लोग अपने आप को क्लोज कर लेते हैं.
ओके.
यानी कोई चीज़ उन्होंने बिफोर रमज़ान जो उनके हैबिट्स रहते हैं उसको क्लोज कर देते हैं. और रमज़ान हमारे लिए एक ऐसी चीज़ है जहाँ हम लोग कलेक्शन हमारे यानी सोल के लिए कलेक्शन करना है हमको यहाँ पर. यानी हम जो भी प्रे करते हैं, इबादत करते हैं, उनके लिए प्रे करना है. और मैं जितने भी लोग जो भी लोग ये देख रहे हैं उनमें उनसे भी यही कहूँगा कि रमज़ान का माहौल जो है आपको हर स्टेट में मिलता होगा, मगर यहाँ जिस तरह का रमज़ान मनाया जाता है वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
वेरी नाइस भाई, पहले हमारे चैनल की तरफ से आपको ईद मुबारक हो. आप सब लोगों को भी ईद मुबारक हो भाई. एंड व्यूअर्स, सो दिस इज़ about Nimra Cafe and Bakery, and this is very tasty chai and even biscuits and cakes also. And why don't you come to Charminar and have a great visit in these Ramzan days, because these are very peaceful, and I can tell you this is a very auspicious days, and you can see all the visuals. This look like a very festive mood all the times. So definitely visit Nimra Bakery whenever you come to Charminar. Thank you. Signing off, Ishwar. And before signing off, I'd like to tell you one thing. You can go inside and check out the special chai of Nimra. What do you say? Let's go. So guys, now we are going to enter into Nimra Cafe and Bakery, and you can see the people, each and everyone is having chai over here, and you can even see these visuals of a lot of people are, this is full B-day, and this is full of crowd over here. And I can tell you guys, this is one of the best places over here in Hyderabad, particularly in Charminar. You cannot find this kind of tasty chai, and you can see this chai making, and you can see really, this is in old style, really awesome. And you can see the looks, you can see the look of this is really, like I can say you guys one thing, like this have been sold, like I've seen in olden days, and this is served in Nimra. So this is the specialty of Nimra, and I think see this design is also very nice actually.
Hey, Shankara.
And
come
and one more thing,
See how they can put the tea in that cup.
okay, you can see now wow, he's putting very nice. You can see how he is how he is arranging cups, and he is putting tea in the cups actually, and you can see the visuals. You can see the visuals. Wow, it's really nice actually. You can, yeah, it's really great. It's really great. Yeah, wow, it's really great, and you know, I am astonished. I am surprised. Why? Because you know this kind of chai arrangement never I have seen actually. Superb, very nice. Superb. This is an half something. So we have one more buy of buy Nimra Cafe and Bakery. Buy, सलाम अलैकुम, कैसे हैं आप?
सलाम, अच्छे हैं।
बहुत फेमस है आपका निमरा कैफे एंड बेकरी, चाय बहुत फेमस है, तो इतना फेमस कैसे बना?
हमारा चाय का क्वालिटी है,
अच्छा, क्वालिटी
है। पत्ती का चाय, पत्ती का क्वालिटी, मिल्क का क्वालिटी इस्तेमाल करते हैं,
और हमने
बनाने
देखा
का सिस्टम है हमारे पास।
अच्छा, और हमने देखा कि बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट्स हो रहे इधर। अब चाय डालने का भी बहुत अलग तरीके से बना रहे, बहुत अच्छा है।
जो बिल्कुल नीटनेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखते हैं।
अच्छा,
और क्वालिटी इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
अच्छा,
पत्ती का दूध का क्वालिटी है।
अच्छा,
और खुद हम लोग खुद इसको मैनेज करते हैं, मतलब
अच्छा, पूरा
कंटिन्यू निगरानी हम लोग खुद रखते हैं।
अच्छा, आप खुद ही रखते हैं?
हम लोग खुद, हम हमारे भाई वगैरह।
Okay, so viewers, this is the thing that this chai is very famous in
पत्ती का ब्लेंडिंग करते हैं हम लोग।
अच्छा, पत्ती का ब्लेंडिंग करते हैं, तो this is the thing that's why you know chai is very famous in Nimra, and you can see even these visuals of Nimra over here, and you can see the crowd really बहुत बड़ा भीड़ है इधर, and really this famous hotel Nimra, definitely you guys need to come and visit. Thank you. So viewers, now you can see different kinds of bangles over here, and you know everything. You know, it's a very beautiful bangles, and I think girls really love these bangles, and women really like these bangles, and there are a lot of people, you know, coming from various places and having these bangles, and Charminar is very famous for bangles, and you can see everything in visuals, and you can see even customers they are shopping here, and as guys, I can tell you one thing: bangles means only Charminar, because whenever you know they have an idea of buying a bangles, every girl will be thinking about only bangles. Okay, and even you can see the girl buying bangles here. You can see the visuals, and so I can tell you only one thing: any girl or woman, if you want to buy a bangles, you can come here and have different kinds of bangles over here. Thank you. So viewers, you know, you can see different kinds of flower vases over here, and cups, and different kinds of varieties, and here one customer is also there. Sir, what you came for purchase here actually?
We just came for general items, and we could see lots of decoration items, so we just came to get that.
Okay, even you came for the same thing? Okay, so even a small girl is there, you can see her. She is catching my mic, and she will be anchor very soon. Okay, so this is about cups. So let us go somewhere and check it. You can see different kinds of chappals over here, where you can get only in Charminar. Especially, you know, in this Ramzan season, you can get lots of collection over here. And why don't you all come and have a visit in Charminar and try different kinds of chappals? Why? Because this is the best place for shopping, and you can see all the visuals of these chappals. Just have a look. You know, ladies are buying different kinds of chappals over here, and you can see even different kinds, all sizes, everything. You know, you can see seller everything, all chappals, and very good chappals, which are very famous in Charminar, and this is exclusively available in Charminar only. So that's why most of them prefer Charminar to come and have a great shopping here.
Please subscribe Myra Media, comment, like, and share this video.
Do like, share, and comment.
Please subscribe Myra Media and share this video.
Please subscribe to Myra Media. Please share with your friends and do subscribe. Yeah, thank you.